Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. In today's video we are going to be showing you the process of our garage being renovated. So it's just basically showing you the journey of how it's obviously gone from a garage into a bedroom. So you can think of this as a series of garage to bedroom or you can think this as the garage to bedroom series. I will just be talking you through the processes and what the builders are doing. Obviously we have gained consent from them before we did this video, so I'll just kind of talk you through what they're doing, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby. Let me love you, let me love you.
So the first thing that they have done is lay down the wood paneling. Now I made sure that I asked the builder for all these terminologies. And I hope that I've said it right. If I haven't, I'm sorry. I think this is what he said. So the first thing they've done is laid down the wood paneling, and the reason for this is because the garage previously only has concrete floor, and they would need to add insulation to obviously make the room warmer. So they've done the paneling.
Moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you.
And they've now added the insulation into the paneling on the floor.
Let me love, baby. Let me love you, let me love you.
And now they've added the floorboards to cover the insulation. So this has automatically raised the flooring up, which looks amazing.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can.
Now the next thing they did was add wall insulation to the garage wall, because one part of the garage wall did not have any insulation originally. Again, I think because it's a garage, there was no need for any insulation there, because it's meant to be cold anyways. It's built for cars. In order for it to be warm, they had to add cavity wall insulation to the other side. So if you look at it on the right hand side, that already has insulation, so they just added it on the left hand side of the wall. So that's what they've done.
I wanna stay here with you. La la la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be
the final bit was to put a paneling to separate the room from the ensuite. So this room would have an ensuite bathroom. So what they've done is they've built some paneling.
Just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you.
And again, they've added wall cavity insulation to that to separate the room from the bathroom.
I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. this place.
Yeah, so this is what I was talking about, like, there are two people completing here. Yeah, if it does that.
You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
So this is how it looks now. It almost looks like a room, and I am so surprised, and this actually looks very nice. I will end the video at this point, and the reason is because I don't want it to be too long. So on the next episode of this series, I'll be showing the continuation and probably the final stages of the garage to room renovation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment down below. Tell us what you like about this video. If it's something that you'd like to see more of, if you've learned something, let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Have a lovely day, and see you on the next one. Bye.
Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm